I don't feel no ways tired. I've come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me the road would. Hi, I'm Dr. Jeffery Allen Murdock. I am the Director of Choral Activities and Founding Director of the Arkansas Center for Black Music at the University of Arkansas. I'm here at the University of Regina. This is my first time in Regina, so I'm very excited. But I've been working with several of our voice students who are singing African American spirituals and art songs by African American composers. And so there's a very unique style that's related to and associated with those genres. And so I'm helping the students to realize those things as they prepare for their recital. So I'm coaching them in their lessons. I'll be working with them in their recital, and then I'll be singing and playing in a recital on tomorrow evening as well. The students are performing spirituals and art songs by Black composers. The spirituals are birthed from slavery in the American South. And so a lot of the dialect, a lot of the diction, a lot of the rhythmic qualities of these pieces stem from the slave workers and the music that they would produce on the plantation, so forth and so on. The call and response style, the work song style, all of those things that are characteristic of the spiritual. And so I'm working with the students to help realize that in practice, so they can sing it on their recital tomorrow. For the second part of that recital, it'll be essentially a lecture recital. I'll talk about the history of music in the American South, Black music in the American South, beginning with slavery through the civil rights, through the 70s and 80s funk band movements, to modern gospel and the like.
In the early part of the 20th century, in Harlem, there was a renaissance of Black art, Black music, Black literature, and everything else Black.
And so I'll be speaking a little bit, but I'll be singing quite a bit as well. I'll do some playing. It'll be lots of fun.